Today we're going on a really exciting journey together with you. We will take the sleeping train from Hanoi City up to the north to Sapa. We booked a really nice cabin with a double bed, and we will have a journey starting at 10, going up till 6 in the morning. We are really exciting, so follow us.
You know, there are a few options to go to Sapa from Hanoi. You can take the minivan, you can take the sleeping bus, or you can hire a private car. Today, for the next 8 hours, I expect my train journey will be safe and I will enjoy the sightseeing. And also, it's like a moving hotel.
Now we're inside that nice train, and that's our cabin, so a big bed. We will chill here, take a nice view and see the train street from a different perspective. Now we come to the room tour, and the room tour is really easy. So we have a big bed here, you can see. We have a window, we have a small table. The bed is big, I like that, and we will definitely enjoy the journey, and soon we will arrive in Sapa.
Really dangerous for people.
Definitely, that's a different experience, right? If you sit in the train which go through the train street.
Now we watch them. Okay, a little more here. Today, less crowded.
Okay. But you hear them screaming? Did you enjoy the ride out of the city?
I love it. You know, feel very safe, and you can enjoy the view out of the window.
That's true. So the journey from Hanoi to Sapa was $150 for both of us. Not cheap, but yeah, it's an experience. I hope we will have a good sleep in here. The bed is a little bit hard, but yeah, we're in a train.
We should have brought a topper.
We're not having a big bag for a topper. We will now enjoy a little bit the view. Bye bye and good night. Soon we are going to arrive in Lao Cai. That's the train station. About 1 hour ride to Sapa with the taxi. How did you sleep?
I slept okay,
But
but good.
so the cabin, there was only one problem. It was really cold in here. It's like a fridge.
You cannot turn off the AC.
I managed to get sleep, so I slept like 5 hours.
Like 4.
So now we're curious about Sapa.
The traveling bears have been here.
Cable car for us alone, so I can do gym time. Ah, ah, ah. So I found a relative of Evie, killed and put here to the wall. Evie buffalo.
Are we crazy or what are we doing here? Going down like hell? Whew, what an adrenaline level. Hey, if you're in Sapa, come to the glass bridge and enjoy the action here.